Only on 9 on your side, a Butler County judge admits that he was not fair when he sentenced a convicted rapist almost 2 years ago.
And now the sentence in that case and sentences in similar cases could be in question. I-Team reporter Hillary Lake is live with us today with the details. Hillary?
Well, Tanya, this letter from Judge Charles Pater to the Butler County Court of Common Pleas recuses himself from any resentencing in that 2016 rape case. It also caused the county prosecutor to send his own letter to dozens of defendants in other cases that Judge Pater presided over.
Dustin Lawrence is a convicted rapist. He also wants a new sentence. Lawrence has support for that from both the Butler County Prosecutor's Office and a new judge appointed to the case, Gregory Howard.
The state now is asking the court to find that the defendant is entitled to be resentenced.
A jury convicted Lawrence of rape in 2016. Judge Charles Pater sentenced him to 33 years in prison the following year. On Wednesday, Judge Pater sat in the back of Judge Howard's courtroom watching as Lawrence's defense attorney argued for a new sentence.
I would first like to say I agree with the idea that this court should read the entire trial transcript prior to a sentencing hearing. We obviously are arguing that a resentencing is necessary.
Lawrence's attorney initially asked for resentencing after he discovered mistakes were made in a pre-sentence investigation. It was then that Judge Pater admitted his bias in the original sentence. The 9 on Your Side I-Team obtained a letter Judge Pater submitted to the court in November 2018. In it, he recuses himself from new developments in Lawrence's case. He admits, quote, a family member of the court had been the victim of a similar crime, which may have impacted the court's original sentencing determination. Since recusing himself from Lawrence's case, Judge Pater has also recused himself from hearing any new sex crime cases. Butler County Prosecutor Mike Mosier is also notifying every sex crime defendant who stood before Judge Pater during the last 10 years. The I-Team also obtained a copy of that letter sent to one convict. It says in part, quote, the state believes it has a legal and ethical duty to inform you of this recusal. However, the letter from Prosecutor Mosier also says it does not mean the prosecutor believes Judge Pater's bias in Lawrence's case affected other cases, but that he has a duty to let other defendants know.
And Judge Pater declined our request for comment. In the meantime, the task of notifying 10 years worth of sex defendants will likely take the prosecutor's office months to do. A spokesman for the Ohio Supreme Court says judges can recuse themselves for any reason, and they don't have to say why. Any possible discipline would be handled through the Board of Professional Conduct. And as of right now, there's no complaint on file. Craig?
All right.